You just updated your system, patched Cyberpunk fit to the latest version, and you're ready to dive back into the ninsoaked streets of Night City, only to be met with absolutely nothing. That crushing feeling when your game won't launch can be incredibly frustrating, especially for a world as immersive as this. Don't worry, you're not alone, and in this video we'll walk through effective troubleshooting steps to get you back into the action no matter what throws at your... First things first, let's make sure your rig isn't trying to run this beauty on a pothead. Even with years of optimizations and expansions like Phantom Liberty, Cyberpunk is still a demanding game, so double-check your system meets the recommended specs. Then a quick game file verification through your launcher of choice. Steam, Epic, or GOG Galaxy often sorts out corrupted files silently, which is surprisingly common and a super easy fix to try right off the bat. Next up, let's hunt down those seeky background processes or outdated drivers that might be causing a ruckus. Ensure your graphics drivers, whether NVIDIA or AM, are absolutely up to date from their official websites, not just through Windows Update. This is crucial for performance and stability in home. Also, try temporarily disabling any overlays like Discord, DeForce Experience, or even your antivirus, as they sometimes conflict with the game's launch process. Sometimes the problem isn't the game itself, but how it's trying to talk to your system. Try running your game launcher and Cyberpunk code as an administrator, as this often resolves permission-related issues, preventing a full launch. If you've been messing with graphics settings outside the game, like in your GPU control panel tray, resetting them to default, an overly aggressive setting can prevent the game from even booting up properly. If all else fails, a clean reinstall might be your best bet, but make sure to fully uninstall it first, deleting any leftover folders before downloading again. For the more technically inclined, check your Windows Even viewer for error logs related to Cyberpunk around the time of the crash. Those cryptic codes can sometimes point directly to the culprit. And remember, the Cyberpunk community forums and Project Red's official support are fantastic resources if you're still stuck, as someone else might have encountered your exact niche problem.